Hello, this is a demo that will describe how to add resources from the Young Digital Planet website into the Canvas courses for LBG. First, you go to this URL right up here, which will be provided in your written instructions. Then, when we get to this site, we're going to scroll down, and for this demonstration, we're going to go to Mobile Maths and Science. So we're just going to click there, and that will take us to the Mobile Maths and Science resources. Once we get to the Mobile Maths and Resources page, we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to the Visit Demo. When we get to the Visit Demo page, you will see these 12 boxes. We are going to be adding 10 of these to our curriculum. So for biology, lower secondary, that will be going into the life science LBG course. Biology upper secondary will be going into the biology course. Chemistry lower secondary will be going into the physical science course for LBG. Upper secondary chemistry will be going into the chemistry LBG course, and so on. And I will, in the written instructions, provide you with which course these other maths and sciences and physics, where it goes. Although I can tell you right now, physics lower secondary is going to go to physical science, and physics upper secondary is going to go to physics. Then what we're going to do is we're just going to click on the first box, and this is going to go into the life science course. And the way that we're going to do this is we're just going to click on the first link. Then we're going to copy and paste this link, and we're going to take all of this material right here over to our course. So let's go over to our courses. I've already got life science pulled up for us. We're going to scroll down and we're going to look for the module or the chapter that is about animal cells and plant cells. So we're going to go here to characteristics of plant cells, and this is where we're going to add our module. It's very simple. We're just going to click on Add a Module. This is going to be a new assignment. This is going to be called whatever the name of the, I believe it was called the structure of animal and plant cells. And we're going to add the item. And now you can see we've got it right here. Oops, where did it go? The structure of animal plant cells. And then we're going to just scroll this up to right under characteristics of plant cells. Then we're going to click on this. We're going to edit. And we're going to put the structure of animal and plant cells. We're going to underscore that, and we're going to add our URL. So I already have that URL saved in my browser. It's a big long one. Insert link, and there we have it. Let's save our work, and then we'll test it and make sure that it's going to the right place. Beautiful. Now the student can complete this entire module. And bang, that is done. Okay, let's move on to the next one so that we can demonstrate exactly how this is going to work. So now I'm going to go back to my site. And by the way, this is a different way that you may log in. I'm not sure which way you will see, but we'll do it both ways so that you are covered either way. Okay, good. It gets both takes you to the same place. So now we're going to go back to mobile maths and science, and we're going to continue on with this demonstration. So now we've done this first one, the structure of plant and animal cells. Now we're going to move on to microscope and the microscopes and the size of cells. Once again, we'll be following the same step. We're going to cut and paste this. This URL will cover all of this material for the student. So we're going to take that over, and it's called microscopes and the size of cells. So we need to go back to the beginning of our life science course, and we need to try to find where microscopes and the size of cells is going to be. Well, I turned right to it. Chapter 3 talks about microscopes, what the microscopes revealed, 3.1. So I'm simply going to add another module to this module, and I'm going to call it microscopes and the size of cells. Going to add my item. Now you can see it's right here. I'm going to just bring it right up to the proper module. Then I'm going to edit it. So I'm clicking edit, and I'm going to put the name here so that they have something to click on. Microscopes and the size of cells. And I'm going to underline it, click there, and put in the whole thing once again. And let's save it and see if it takes us to the right spot. I'm a big fan of checking my work because I don't want to find out later that I did something wrong. And here we are on the next lesson. So you're going to proceed with this step exactly as I just described it, all the way through all of the lessons. And that applies all the way through not only the biology that's going to go into life science, the biology primary, which is going to go into life science, but all the way through all of those boxes. And each of those boxes will go into a different course. So that's basically how you're going to be adding the mobile maths and science resources. Thank you.